The motorcycle is very dirty because I used some tools in the garage to build a rabbit hutch and got sawdust all over it. Then I put it outside in the rain to try to wash it off, and it just sprinkled, so that didn't work. Oh crap. Need my memory card? It says no SD. I think I can put the memory card in while it's in its thingamabobber. Although it looks quite difficult. There. Okay. Now we can close the garage door. Okay, I think we're finally ready to go. It's crazy how I can be sitting there and be like super hot, and then as soon as I start moving, I cool down. Hi! Today there will be lots of riding because I am going to work, and then I will come home for lunch. And then I will go back to work, and then I will come home for dinner-ish. After I play sweaty basketball, that'll be interesting. Then I will go to a board meeting, which is back at work. And then I will come home. And that will be my day. Well, at this time. Anything can happen, right? Got an old, I don't know what it is behind me. Maybe a Chevelle? I can't tell. Something from the 70s, maybe? Late 60s, early 70s. Why are we braking? What am I missing here? Am I missing something? Nope. Oh, a nice little stop so we can warm up. Oh, look at the tiny little tiny. That is insane. As that turns and goes past, I'm not sure what that is. Like, it just got honked at. Equinox, it looks like. That car was like at least half the size of that Equinox. It's not even a Suburban. It's wow. A motorcycle. Surprised I hadn't seen more this morning. I remember the people around here that like to ride motorcycles like to ride at about 80 miles an hour. 80 degrees. Oh, there's our pastor. Oh, I'm going to get him. This will be fun. In his Jeep. We're using this Jeep for VBS. So this year's VBS is a digging theme, like archaeological digging. And so we are using his Jeep for part of the skits. Well, I'm hungry because I didn't eat any breakfast. Good morning!
Good morning, GoPro.
Hi, Lisa.
Church.
I just passed Pastor. It was hilarious. Oh, buddy, what's up?
What's up? I saw you over at the church.
What are you doing?
I was just getting lunch.
Oh, yes! see.
I just put it back together last week.
Yeah?
I had to change the fuel filter in it. So, yeah, it's still not running as good as it should, but it's running good now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's your shop at?
Huh?
Where's your work at?
Oh, just over here. Do you know where Carl's Performance is?
Yeah.
It's we're like right behind that. Yeah. I should be wearing my helmet, but it's like it's too nice now.
Oh, look at that! Another driver going the wrong way. Could ramp it. Should we ramp it? Woo! This may be a little windy. What are the winds right now? 12. It's not too bad. 79 degrees, 29% humidity, 12-mile-an-hour winds. Got a few little waves out there. Definitely no boats out there. Wow, the water's actually flowing pretty good. For so long last year and the year before, I feel like it was so low. It's flowing pretty good. Army National Guard base. Selfie! It's gonna be cold. It is 65 with 55% humidity. It is 10:20 at night. I only have my dark helmet. That's not good. How long has that been doing that? That's not good at all. Well, that's a little confusing. There is some cable not hooked up right. Okay, now it just quit. Well, that's interesting. Never had that happen before, but okay. I'll have to double check that wire, because from what I remember there's two wires. One is like a running light wire, and one is, you can have it on all the time and then have it blink, or you can come with different options the way you wire it up. Anyways, I'm riding with a dark helmet. I did switch the GoPro to a different mode so the ISO can max out. Birds, getting a little chilly. Hopefully my light's not, well, it's fine now. Look at that moon, there it is. You see it? So, funny story, last night there was this blood moon, flower moon, super moon, because it's, you know, the close, super close. I mean, that, for me, that looks really giant right now, that moon. I know it doesn't for you, but it does for me. So there's this super blood flower moon, and I didn't know. Usually I know. Usually up on that. Weather guys that I follow, Twitter or different things. Well, so I didn't know. So it's like 10 o'clock at night, and I'm on TikTok, and this guy starts talking about that tonight is a eclipse. So I run outside. Of course, he's right, and it's like, I mean, it's probably a fourth of the moon covered at that point. I'm like, oh sweet, look, come outside, look outside. So we go look at it, and I said, man, in about 30 minutes it's supposed to turn red. So we just grabbed our couch off our front porch. We have like a, you know, patio couch, put it out in the front yard, grabbed a couple blankets and hung out. Well, of course, then we fall asleep on this little like 2-seater couch, just sitting there chilling. So then a neighbor comes home about 30 minutes later, and their lights wake us up, the headlights, and it's a red blood moon. So we made it just in time. That is kind of funny. My light's not, it's flickering a little bit, which makes me feel like there's a bad ground. As it idles, you can see it flickering. I got something wrong, but